Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum first year. This is your English teacher Aisha here. In today's lecture, we will be discussing the main idea or the theme and the setting of the third play including in your intermediate book 3. The title of the play is The Oyster and the Pearl, written by William Saroyan. William Saroyan was a US playwright. He has also written novels and more than 400 short stories. He usually wrote about ordinary people, their lives, their problems, and their ways of living. Now come to the title of the play, that is The Oyster and the Pearl. Oyster means sea and pearls means moti. When we talk about the theme or main idea of the play, basically this play is a sentimental comedy. Sentimental, जज्बाती comedy जिसमें मज़ाहिया बात हो. So basically this play has humor in it and it has a very happy ending. In this play, the playwright is referring to the basic good-natured humans. He is referring to the fact that all the human beings have a basic good nature. He has also shown the faith in this good nature of human beings. The play also refers to the idea of life of William Saroyan. He has depicted a philosophy in the play. He has illustrated this philosophy in the play, that is, take it easy way, which means that whatever the problems are there in your life, whatever the difficulties are there in your life, you should not be worried and take it easy and be calm. All the difficulties will soon disappear. This is the main idea that he is trying to propagate in his play. He has discussed about the lives and the problems of various peoples living in a town, but still all of them are united and all of them are trying to console and trying to solve the problems of each other. Now we will talk about the setting of the play. So the play is set in a small town of California. The name of this town is OK by the Sea. So basically this town is situated near a sea and the population of this town is only 909. And the whole play is set in the barber shops that is present in this town. This is the only barber shop. पूरे इस इलाके में एक ही हज्जाम की दुकान है जिसके अंदर ये प्ले जो है पूरा परफॉर्म किया जाता है. And this is an old fashioned barber shop. एक पुराने ज़माने की नाई की दुकान है, हज्जाम की दुकान है, जिसमें different characters आते हैं throughout the play. They talk about different things and gradually the story progress towards the end. Physical appearance of the shop doesn't look like a traditional barber shop because it has it has those things that you do not expect to be in a barber shop. You can see books, you can see rocks and bottles filled with sea water, and you can see the hats of various types in this shop. An old fashioned and a very old worn out chair is also present there. So the picture that you are shown on stage is very different from a usual barber shop. Throughout the story, you will see the main character or the most important character of the play, Harry Van Dusen, talking to different people in this barber shop. Harry Van Dusen is basically a barber. Another very unusual thing for you is that the writer hasn't tried to make one person heroic figure or the protagonist of the play. You do not have a particular hero in the play. You have different characters with their ordinary problems with their ordinary lives and how they reconcile with their problems and how they solve with their problems, you will see in the play. So this was it for this lecture. Inshallah, we will meet with the character sketches and the summaries in the next parts of this play. Allah Hafiz.